Dear students, here is the video for today's live class session. So today we discussed in exercise 2.2 question number 2, that is how to find the product by rearranging the given numbers. As I already told you, rearranging the numbers means to shift them from one place to the other. Suppose if you see question number 2a, it is 2 multiply 1768 multiply 50. So this is the number, and how to rearrange them, and then we need to find the product. For rearranging, first of all we will shift the given numbers. Okay, so we will write like 2 multiply 50 and then multiply 1768. So 2 multiply 50 is equal to 100, and with this 100 we will multiply 1768, and the answer which we will get will be 176800. Simply we have shifted the given numbers from one place to the other. In the same question 2, if you see suppose question number E, 2E, I will explain now. Question is like this: 285 into 5 into 60. So again, first of all we will rearrange the digits. So I mean rearrange the numbers. How to rearrange? Suppose I will just write like 60 multiply 285. Okay, and then multiply the 5. So 60 multiply to 285 will be 6 5s are 30, 6 8s are 48, plus 3 51, 12, and plus 5, that is 17, and then into 5. So 5 0 0, 1s are 5, 7s are 35, 5 1s are 5 plus 3, like this. Okay, so this was question number 2E. Moving ahead with question number 3. Question is, find the value of the following. Now how to find the value? For finding the value, you will first of all just find the common number. Whatever is the common number, you will just take it aside, and the remaining numbers you will add or subtract, and then finally we will multiply. Suppose we will see the first question: 297 multiply 17 plus 297 multiply 3. So here's the question like this. So what is the common number in the given numbers? So we can see here, before plus also we have 297, and after this plus also we have 297. So we can say 297 as the common number. Okay, and the remaining numbers, that is 17 plus 3. So 297 we will write as it is. 17 plus 3 is 20, and then we will multiply. So 2 7s are 14, 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. So like this we will find the value by taking a number common outside. So if you see in the same place, question number 3C, we will see question is like this: 81 265 169 81 again we have a 265, and then we have 69. So first of all the common number we will see. If we see, we have 81,265 as the common number, and the remaining numbers, that is 169, we need to subtract that 69 from this, right? Then 81,265 into, it will become 100, and the answer will be like this. Okay, that is 81,26,500. Now if we see question number 3 again, question 3D. Here the question is written like this: 3,845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 25 into 218. Now here if you see, we do not have anything in common. I mean, any numbers are not there in common. So when we don't have any numbers in common, what we will do is, we will make a number that is common. Okay. Suppose a 3845 is as it is, then 5 also, then 782 also. Now the other side, when you see, you have here 25. So how do we get this 25? We get this 25 by 5 multiply 5. हम जब 5 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तभी 25 आता है. तो अगर we will simply write this 25 as 5 multiply 5, जब हम ऐसे लिख देंगे तो हमारे पास कॉमन नंबर बन जाएगा कि नहीं. यहाँ भी 5 है और हमने 25 को भी 5 में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. Okay, so whenever we will not have any numbers in common given in the question, हम क्या करेंगे कि we will see such a number जिसको divide करके we can make it common with the first side, or same thing could be done towards the second side also. So what we have done here, made this 5 into 5, which in the question is given like 25. Okay, now by making this 5 into 5, we get a common number, that is 5 both the side. Now again 3845 as it is, and here, so we have here only 1 5, but here we have 2. So what we can do, this 769, simply we will multiply with the first one, that is 5. Okay, 5 9s are 45, and then 4 3, then into 5 218. So now you can see we have two numbers in common, that is 3845 multiply with 5, and then 782 plus 290. So first we will multiply the two numbers, that is 5 5s are 25, 20 plus 2 22, 2 4 carry, 15 plus 4 will be 19, and this multiply, we will add this, 8 plus 2 is 10, then again 10, and then 10. So we will get the answer, that is, okay, this is how we will find the value when we don't have any numbers in common. So we did question number 3 also. If you see question number 4, find the product using suitable properties. Now when we need to find the product using suitable properties, what do we do now? We distribute the numbers. We expand the numbers actually. Suppose you see 4a, that is 738 multiply 103. So when we have such questions, how do we do now? Very simple. 738 we write as it is, and this number we will expand it. How to expand? We know 103 we get by writing 100 plus 3. Okay. Now the number which is given outside the bracket, that number should be multiplied with the first digit, I mean with the first number. Okay. And the number which is written outside the bracket also should be multiplied with the second number. So this is 73800 plus 3 8s are 24, 10 11 22. Then we need to add both the numbers. So 4 1, 8 plus 2 is 10, then 6, and then 7. Like this we will expand and using the property, that is distributive property, So this was question number 4a. Similarly, if you see question number 4b, same thing. This 102 could be separated as 100 plus 2. Now if you see this question C, very easy it is also. How to do now? You have a 105 multiply 168. So you pay attention like this.